have this really bad problem where I can't keep a room the same for more than like a few months, and I just always want to redecorate. So the one room that I really want to change, which is what we're going to be doing in these next couple vlogs, is our living room. But the fun part about this is that this is entirely up to me. Connor is not involved in it because he is really over like all of the house DIYs and like transformations and stuff. He said he just like needs a break from it. And I feel like if I just have like free range to do whatever the heck I want to do, maybe I'll be like more creative with it. I don't know. So let me show you guys what we're working with quick. So it's December 28th, so we still have our Christmas tree up. But this is what the living room portion of our house looks like. So we ended up painting the walls this gray color, which looks really white. And a lot of you guys like think the walls are white in here, but they're actually gray. And I don't mind it, but I recently went to my friend Gabby's house. You guys should follow her Instagram page for her house. It's called the Castaway Cottage. It is so adorable. So I saw it in person for the first time, and her whole first floor is this gorgeous creamy light yellow color, which is exactly what Connor and I wanted for the house originally. So when I saw it and I was there, I just fell in love with the yellow, and her house just felt really warm and cozy. And I was like, I really want to paint the house or the first floor yellow again and just try to give the room a makeover. So that's our first step. Gabby is finding out what color the walls are for us, so then we can hopefully try a sample of it in here and see if it works. Different, like paint color can be the same, but it looks so different in a different house. So hopefully it works for this room. And then the other thing that I originally wanted for this room, but like I said, we decided to not spend the money on, was I originally wanted like a khaki or like light beige colored love seat and something that looked a little bit more fancier than this one. And then I wanted like an area rug, and then I wanted two accent chairs, just like really comfy ones. And that was like pretty much it for the furniture. Obviously like the coffee table and stuff, but accent chairs are like $300 each, and we just didn't feel like spending the money. I don't think I'm gonna get any accent chairs. I think I'm just gonna try to work with what I have. But I do have some other plans. But I do have some other pieces of furniture that I'm still looking for this room. So I'm gonna go to Hobby Lobby. Connor's gonna come with me, so I'm just gonna try to like not tell him that it's for this room, and just kind of like get an idea of if he likes the path I'm going in, or like the ideas I have, and we'll see how he feels about those. But yeah, he is home, so I don't want to like talk too loud because then he's gonna know everything we're doing. First stop is Hobby Lobby because I saw some cute things on their website that I think might work. So I've been eyeing this piece at Hobby Lobby, which is super cute. Connor likes it, right? I think it's adorable. So I want to keep that in mind?
Sure.
Alright, I'm at Lowe's. I'm looking for some paint colors. So this is actually, this color right here, Sunset Nude, is the one that we had originally tried in our house. And I'm not even kidding, on our walls it looked like this color, like this bright yellow. So I'm maybe thinking the Champagne Tickle might work. I don't know. No, you can't come in here. It's a secret. Alright, I locked Connor out of here. Well, I can't lock him out because we don't have a lock on here. I'll put my boots here so he can't get in. It's so weird. It came just in plastic like this, and you can see what it is. It didn't like ship in a box or anything. I've never seen shipping like this before. Very interesting. I got this from Lowe's. If I can find the link for it, I will leave it down below. I got this runner for the front door because right now we have this one, which I don't love. I think it's too big and just like really awkward looking, but Connor picked it out, so I wanted to let him have it. But since I'm redoing the room, I just want to show him what this would look like. If he hates it, I will take it out. But I just thought it looked a lot better, and it's kind of more the vibe I was going for. Just really, it's really simple, and I feel like it'll trap the dirt in very easily. It's hard to see the actual color of it right now. It looks so much darker in real life than it does on camera. But I like this, so I'm gonna leave it in here and put something on the edges, that way it flattens out. Something else, quickly, I forgot to show you guys that we got. Sorry, I'm like out of this. Is, if you guys, I don't remember what channel, if I said it on this one or my main channel, but Connor and I love flamingos. And it's like an inside thing that we call flamingos babingos. So anytime we see a flamingo, we always go babingo. And it's funny because whenever I like post flamingo stuff, you guys always comment back babingo. Anyway, I got this today. Connor picked it out. I told him to pick out like a little decoration for the new room. So this is what he picked out. It's from Hobby Lobby. It's really cute. The lighting is just not doing anything justice right now, but I thought this would be cute. Connor, see the sign? Do not enter, okay? Connor was trying to crack my back and it just really freaks me out. But anyway, I found this really adorable piece from Hobby Lobby online. I ordered it in the store and it came in the mail and looked completely different. So I decided to return it, and I found this piece of furniture for free, which I'm going to try to redo and use for the room. The next thing I got is an area rug for the room. I've been on the hunt for one for so long that looks just like this, but I feel like area rugs are usually so expensive. I somehow managed to get this one. I think it was like $50 or $60 on Amazon, and it is amazing. I love it so much, and I think it's perfect for this room. I'm gonna show you guys what I got from the Christmas tree shop. I found this wreath, which I am so excited for because I've been looking for a wreath like this for so long, but they're always like $40, $50, and I just don't want to spend that much. This was only $24, so I had to snag that. Then I got these pillows. If you ever need big pillows like this, go to the Christmas tree shop because they're only 16 bucks. So I got 2 of these. And then the last thing that I got is a new paint color. The paint was a disaster. I ended up bringing home, I think like 3 to 4 different color samples, and I finally found the color I liked, which was called Lemon Chiffon Pie. And so I got the gallon of it, and I was like, let me just test it on the wall, like just to make sure it's okay. And sure enough, they ended up mixing the color wrong. And the more that I looked at Lemon Chiffon Pie on our walls, I felt like it was a little bit too bright. My best friend has this color in her whole house, and it's like the perfect creamy color in her house, but something about it in here, it just looks so bright. I found a new color called Bermuda Sands, and I think it's the one. I'm praying because I'm so over trying to find the perfect yellow. So hopefully it turns out okay. I'm really excited for this makeover, and I just want to do it and surprise Connor. So I guess you guys will see it in the next. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.